What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna test this endoscope from the brand DEPSTECH. We're gonna see if it's good, we're gonna test it, we're gonna unbox it, and we're gonna see how good it is in today's video. Coming up next. And also in today's video we're gonna announce the winner for the dashcam at the end of the video. Let's continue with the video. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. It's DEPSTECH, and the features: it has a 5-inch screen, 1080p resolution, it's a ImageTech Blue 3.0, semi-rigid cable, waterproof, and it's high performance lithium battery. The model is DS520, and this is the endoscope. It has some warnings to connect the plug, make sure it's well connected. Okay, and that's the screen. It's a 5-inch screen. That's nice. Comes with a USB cable to connect it to the computer. This is the camera with the connection is USB-A. Some adapters. It's like a magnet. Let me open it. Yeah, like a hook, and then like with a magnet. And this one has like a mirror in case you want to see to the sides. That's nice. So it has 3 different adapters in this one. Came inside this one. Instructions, the manual, and that's everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, this is the screen, and here there's the plug to connect the camera. Only has one direction because it has a group right there in here. So just plug it in like this until it's plugged in all the way right there. No gaps. Make sure that there is no gap in here. Alright, so let's turn it on. Oh, one more thing. There's a micro SD card slot in the bottom, and the micro SD card is included. It's already there. And this one is to charge it, to charge the screen. Let's turn it on. Just hold on the orange button. That's nice. Let's see. Look at the light. Look at that. I can see myself right there. Woo. Okay, let's see. On this one on the top, if you hold it, it will start recording. And you hold again, it will stop recording. You hold it, you click once, it will take a screenshot. Okay, and this one, let's see what is that for. Oh, to flip the screen. Okay, rotate, to rotate the screen. The button here in the corner, on the left corner, left corner right there. Let's go to the settings. This one, let's click the settings. Resolution 1080p. It has 1080p or 720. Let's leave it in 1080p. It's not touch screen. Okay, so you have to use this to move it. So auto power off, we'll leave it like that. Time settings, you can change the date and the time in there. Language, English, and has all that. Okay, so okay, and then the screen brightness, you can change it. You can lower it or make it brighter. Leave it like that. You can format the SD card right there, but I don't want to do that right now. Reset to the factory settings in that one. Storage space, that's the storage space. Data transmission, let's see what is that. To put it with the cable. Okay. The next one is the version of this one. That's the number for the firmware, and that's it. That's the last one. Okay. And what this one does? Oh, this is for the brightness of the light. You can lower it or turn it off. Like that, and that's everything. So now let's test it on the car. Alright guys, so it's time to test this thing. So first let's connect the cable in here, turn it on. Alright. So basically this thing is to help you see inside of the engine, but also this one is very helpful when you drop something, a tool under there, and the Supra has a cover on the bottom, so if you drop something it's gonna stay there. So with this one, what you can do, and here is this. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Let's start recording this one. So this one, it is recording the video. Oh yeah, that's under the car. Yeah. I can see under the car. Look at that. Yeah. The only thing You have to keep this straight because it's hard to maneuver when this thing is moving. I wish this one it'll move to the sides up and down, but like this. Look at that. That's amazing. Look at that. Let's see over here the turbo. I have this right there. We can see the turbo. Look at that. Under the turbo, because we cannot move it. Let's see, we can see it from the top. From here. Yep. There's the downpipe. And the sensors. Yep. Now let's see if we can see inside. Let's open this. Oh wow, yeah. Look at this, man. That's the oil. What else we can see? That's the bulbs. Wow. See, we can see to this other side. Something is blocking. Yeah. The bulbs are right there. Man, it's amazing. I wish I had more space to see more. Look at that. Whew. Wow. It looks pretty clean. Looks great. Look at that. That's amazing. Man. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, I wish I could remove a spark plug, but I don't have the tool to remove the spark plug. But look at that. Looks amazing. That's the inside. It's amazing. So this tool is amazing. The only thing I wish this one, it could move to the sides, because when you point in like this, I wish I can move it like to the side, to the left, to the right, up and down. But other than that, this is amazing. I like it. I recommend it. Okay guys, that was the Endoscope DEPSTECH. So it is great. The resolution is great. You can see a lot of things, especially if you drop something under the engine. You can reach it and watch it and see it where it is. Like the 10mm socket when you drop it under there. Okay, so this is amazing. But one thing I wish this one had is to move it to the left, to the side, up and down on the camera. Okay, but other than that, this one is great. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, and if you have one of these, let me know which one do you have. Put it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like the video, support the channel, and see you on the next video. God bless you. Thank you. Bye. Okay guys, we're gonna announce the winner. The comment, we're gonna put it over here. Okay, congratulations to the winner. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook or through my website, or you can send me an email. My email is in my about page of my YouTube channel. Okay, remember, I will never ask for money. This is only for the USA, and I don't have a Telegram. Be careful with the scammers. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the channel, and on the next video we're gonna announce the next giveaway. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for the support. God bless you, and see you on the next video.